Hello everyone. So from today onwards, I'll be starting the NeetCode 150 question series. So daily I'll solve the one NeetCode problem, and I'll explain you the three approaches: the brute force, then the medium one, and the most optimized approach. So starting with this, the simple first easy code. So I'll just firstly explain what is the question they have asked. So the question was, we have given an integer nums and we have to return the true if there is any duplicate number available in the array, otherwise return false. So it is very easy problem. So here you can see in the nums we have 1233 and 1234. So we just have to return if there is any number which is duplicate, like here it is 3 coming two times, so we are returning true, otherwise return just fall if all the numbers are unique. So firstly I'll say the very first brute force approach is like, you will go with the first loop, then you will again start with the second loop, starting from the next element, and you will check if the for the every element you will check in the remaining array, like if this number is coming again or not, and then if it is coming, then you will just return the false. So the time complexity for this will be the big of n square, as we are have using the like two times the loop. So I will not waste the time to write the code for this. I have explained the approach to you, and the time complexity for this will be big of n square. Then there will be one another way which is a bit optimized. So we can do one thing: we can just sort this array, and then we can search in the array if we are getting the number duplicate number just next to that element. Suppose this is the sorted array and we are checking the condition on this. If we are getting there is a duplicate number which is there in the at n minus 1 position, then we will just return the true, otherwise return the false. So this one is a bit optimized approach, and the time complexity for sorting is, as we know, it's n log n. So the overall time complexity for this approach is also the big of n log n. So again, it's not the optimized code, so we'll just make it more optimized. For this, we know, like, there is one data structure, hash set, where you can write the total number. You can just add these nums in that hash set, and you can check if there is any we just count in the hash set. If there is any duplicate element, we found that if there is a count greater than 1, then we'll just return the true. So I'll write the code for this. So it's like, we have an order set with int mp, and we have to just check for int num in the nums. If we see mp dot count is greater than 1, then we just return the true, or we just insert in the mp dot insert our num, and we'll just otherwise return the false. So I will just run this code. As you can see, we are just running it in the only one loop. So the time complexity for this is big of n, and the space complexity, you can say it's a big of n as well, but it's most optimized approach for this problem. So here you can see I have not written the num, so I'll just add that at that point. And now I can, if I'll run, it is working fine, I hope. Yes. And then I'll just submit and see if all the test cases are passing. Yeah. Whoa. So all the test cases have been passed, and as we have seen, the time complexity for this is big of n, and the space complexity is as well big of n. So thank you for this. I'll keep updating and sharing the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.